Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow lollipops at home. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and equipment. We'll then walk through the steps of cooking the sugar mixture to the ideal temperature. Finally, I'll show you how to add beautiful colors and shape your delicious lollipops. It's a fun and rewarding process that results in a delightful treat for everyone. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 3/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavoring extract, like vanilla or fruit. Also, gather your gel food colorings and, crucially, a candy thermometer and silicone lollipop molds. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, insert your candy thermometer and bring the mixture to a boil without stirring. Continue cooking until the temperature reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the hard crack stage. This is where the magic happens. Carefully divide your hot sugar mixture into several heat-safe bowls, one for each color you plan to use. Add a few drops of your chosen gel food coloring to each bowl and stir gently. Then, pour small, alternating amounts of each color into your prepared lollipop molds to create the rainbow effect. Finally, insert your lollipop sticks and let them cool for about 30 minutes until firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.